Professor Singh, this is the amazing rocket sled that you do impact testing with, if I understand. Now, isn't it this device that actually exceeds the speed of sound and causes a shock wave that has sometimes blown out the windows in the building and triggered earthquakes throughout the West Coast?
You are so close to the truth and not very far from it as well. This machine primarily is for horizontal impacts, as you would experience in rail car coupling or a truck braking real hard. So here's what it does.
Professor Singh, I'm looking under this device and I see you've got a 6-pack of Rolling Rock beer, a case of Michelob Ultra, and a 12-pack of Budweiser beer. And this appears to be some sort of pounding device. So when you say you're going to pound down a few beers, you really mean it.
Not really. Now hold that. No, this is not a pounding machine. We do have a pounding machine that we can pound the beer with. This machine applies pressure or compressive forces, as you would imagine in a warehouse situation. So the bottom box has to be strong for the entire pallet load to be stable. So we apply up to 30,000 pounds of force on this machine. We do have a pounder that we use for shock testing.
Professor Singh, I notice here the liquid nitrogen container, and I think I know what this is for. You actually fill these containers under high pressure with liquid nitrogen so that they can blast into outer space and actually become satellites and orbit the Earth, correct?
That is completely off base as usual, Bradford. This is a liquid nitrogen dosing machine. You might have noticed the bottles are getting lighter weight. If you squish this, it will not be able to take the load on top of it, but if you do put a little bit of liquid nitrogen on top, it expands and it makes the bottle a little more like a brick. So that allows it to take more force as compared to the other bottle, and that's what this machine does.